you think those girls were, Stephanie?
Not 80 meters high, but that's a bit high for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have 1 minute to go.
1 minute left. 1 minute left.
One there. 45 seconds. Remember, we want you to count down from 15 seconds, ladies and
Right,
gentlemen.
you've had some practice. You can do it
Get
again.
ready. 30 seconds.
30 seconds. All right, everyone. Come on, let's get excited. We've got 30 seconds.
Woo!
You will see the plane and the car
20
race
seconds.
against each other.
15, 14, 13, 12,
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go!
There we go.
And racing, well, that Porsche's jumped off the line super quick. But surprisingly, look at that Jet AB747 towing away from Yui. But hang on, the Porsche's coming up, but the Jet might just get there.
Woo!
Jet is just in front of Jim. And the Porsche is going to get it. Is it crazy? Wow, look at that. How fast was that? That was one of a close race. See, ladies and gentlemen, I told you that Jet B747 was super light. That Jet was ultra.
That was a close race.
And as I mentioned, we have to have those three judges now. It was way too close for us to call. Way too close to.